Okay. This is Jacob Nash with JNGL. And we're looking at Unit 8, Lesson 3, Area of a Sector. So, what is a sector, anyways? So, let's see. I'll just draw a circle. And we have a center point. Let's call that A. And then we have an angle that goes out like this. And this is a sector. So we could be talking about the other part, but there's no measure there. So we're talking about this smaller sector. Let's say that this is 96 degrees. So 96 degrees. We know that. Now, what's the area of this sector? The sector is this whole area right here. Only that part. So, here's what we have to do. We have to figure out another equation. So, let's see. First, we need what happens is right here we need to, on the top is going to be the area of the sector. We don't know that yet. Let's just label that with C. So C is this area. This whole area right here. Below that is the area of a circle. Well, I didn't give that yet. So let's say that Let's say that the radius is 3. What's the area? So the area of a circle is going to be pi r squared. So pi r squared. In this case, we don't need to say 3.4. We can just leave pi there. So r is 3, so r squared is 9. Then we add the pi, so just 9 pi. You can put that down here. We eventually will simplify the pi, but right now we can just leave it as that. The central angle, that's 96 degrees. And then below that is 360. So, I'm going to pause the video for a second. So this right here is the formula that we can use for area of a sector. It kind of looks a lot like the one that was for finding the length of an arc, except instead of circumference, it's area of a circle. So, yeah. That's what it is. Area of sector divided by area of a circle equals central angle over 360, because that's how much degrees is in a circle. So we have this right now. So we can cross multiply. So 360c, we cross multiply that part. Here, let me just do this. I'm struggling to write here. And then 96 times 9. Let's figure out what that is. 864 pi. So that's what we can do. So 360c equals 864 pi. That's what I've written. Now we can divide by 360. So we divide by 360. Yeah, that's terrible. You get what I mean, though. Let me just cross that out. So now we okay, so back to what I was saying. 864 divided by 360. That's probably going to be a very strange number. Oh, not that bad. So 2.4 pi. Wait a second, what? Oh, I'm sorry. I just messed something up. So okay, if you watched the last video, I know that I messed up on there too, because I left out the pi. So you gotta understand that incorporates into it. So in the last problem when I was solving on lesson 2, I didn't incorporate that. So we got to actually do that. So 864 times 3.14, and then divide that by 360. We get 7.5 approximately. So the area, sorry about that. The area of the sector is 7.5 approximate. That's how you would solve.